In a recent video I talked about the uniquely challenging business conditions that defence companies are facing, and I outlined 4 intelligence-led activities that companies might make use of in order to identify new revenue. In this video I'm going to narrow the focus and take a closer look at how IHS Janes Markets Forecast can be an invaluable foundational element of an intelligence-led market planning process. Let's examine a typical market analysis scenario. A marketing manager, in this case working for a manufacturer of military ground vehicles, has been asked to provide a list of profitable, low-risk new business opportunities on which the sales and business development teams can focus. This might be part of a regular planning process, or it could alternatively be a request from a colleague. Either way, it's a fairly typical scenario, and we'll use IHS Janes Markets Forecast to show how what could be a complex question can be addressed quickly and easily. To begin with, let's look at the highest level. We know we're interested in military ground vehicles and that we're looking at the short to medium term, so we'll select those. For this example, we'll also only look at derived opportunities, which are those opportunities that IHS analysts estimate will be required, but which have not yet been communicated by customers, meaning that they provide the best chance of getting ahead of the competition. We'll also filter the chart by region to help us narrow the focus of our research. Looking closer, 2 interesting things become clear. Firstly, Middle East opportunities grow steadily over the next 5 years, meaning that this is likely to be a strategically important market. And secondly, in 2017 and 2018, 2 bulges in the chart are clear, in Western Europe and Eastern Europe respectively. These likely represent significant procurement programs, so let's look closer. Displaying the forecasts by end-user country shows that the 2017 bulge in the Western Europe forecast corresponds to a Finnish procurement program. Drilling down further, we can see that the bulge represents an anticipated requirement for a tank procurement program worth $600 million. Alternatively, we can approach the question from a different direction. If we know we're interested in armoured personnel carriers, we can begin by looking at the global picture, again focusing on opportunities derived by IHS analysts, and then narrowing. If we select the bulge apparent in 2018, we can drill down to look at which countries are contributing to that uplift in the numbers, and we find that the majority of it can be ascribed to a forecast APC procurement opportunity in Estonia. Drilling down further, we can see that the platform opportunity itself is worth a little over $200 million, while system integration activities are estimated at just under $100 million, and the various subsystems at a total of around $175 million. These are just 2 very simple examples of how IHS Janes Markets Forecast unlocks detailed forward-looking analysis of global defence markets and enables businesses very quickly to identify areas of interest, specific procurement programs, and even anticipated capability gaps. Of course, subsequent qualification of these opportunities would be necessary, including analysis of factors such as local competitive environment, procurement strategy, and offset requirements, but the value of this type of resource as a foundational element of meaningful, actionable market planning is clear. Thanks for listening. I hope this video has demonstrated how, using IHS Janes Markets Forecast, businesses can quickly and easily identify new potential revenue opportunities that might otherwise remain obscured. With over 100 years of experience, IHS is the leading global provider of defence and security information, analytics and expertise, and is a trusted independent partner to the world's most successful aerospace and defence businesses. To learn more about how your business could benefit from access to detailed, reliable defence market forecasting, visit ihs.com/jmf.